For more than 2 decades, Dolphin Hotels at RamojiFilmCity has been synonymous with personalized warmth and dedicated care. We welcome you into most safer Dolphin Hotels at RamojiFilmCity that offers higher standards of hygiene and sanitation to keep you healthy and safer. At RamojiFilmCity entrance, guests will go through the mandatory thermal screening. As the guest enters the hotel premises, the luggage is thoroughly disinfected. All our guest vehicles are fully sanitized. The pandemic has called for reduction of certain personalized services like moving guests' luggage, valet parking, and the opening and closing of vehicles' doors and entrances inside the hotel. Thermal screening will be done. Sanitizer station for hands and masks will be provided if needed. No contact practices and highly sanitized ambience welcome you at the lobby. At the reception, floor markings will ensure physical distancing. We present contactless check-in and check-out procedures driven by well-trained support staff. These are a part of low-contact measures to ensure your safety and reduce risks. We request you to take note of this and extend your support. Our signage boards and screens constantly keep you informed about our efforts. All touch points are sanitized regularly with specified disinfectants. As part of the new normal, physical distancing will be maintained at all places. Sanitization stations are installed at every public space. We are following the protocols and stringent measures as we maintain guest rooms. All rooms are thoroughly sanitized and disinfected. Washrooms are thoroughly disinfected and sanitized. Room amenities will be provided upon special request. Contactless services are provided by the staff and food is delivered at your door with required food safety measures. Special seating arrangements are in place in our restaurants to maintain the social distancing norm between the tables. Menu card is available on the table in the form of QR code for you to order. Our chefs wear gloves and masks while making the food you order, following safety protocols of hygiene. All tables and chairs, cutlery and crockery are sanitized for your dining. The freshly made food is placed on your table for you to relish. We currently restrict ourselves to digital payments and deliver electronic invoices. We request you to visit our website to know more on COVID-19 related protocols and practices. Our banquet facilities are your perfect venue for parties and functions with all protocols followed. Our corporate event facilities are perfect for your business needs. We follow all government prescribed guidelines. Round the clock, our forces stay alert to guide you. In the fight against COVID-19, we are all one army. We wish to echo the spirit of hope and brighter future in every endeavor that will go a long way in keeping you comfortable, safe and happy.